A revolution in the field of materials, a breakthrough in the application of science and technology. eSUN combines biodegradable materials with 3D printing to usher in a new era of 3D printing innovation. Since 2002, we have always adhered to the concepts of green and environmental protection. We apply these concepts every day to change what it means to 3D print. From one person to a team, eSUN has gathered professionals from various fields focusing on chemistry and material science. We established an innovative R&D center, which synchronizes our 3D printing research with the world. Furthermore, we have taken the lead in applying biodegradable PLA materials to FDM 3D printing, greatly simplifying the structure of FDM 3D printing and promoting the development of a global 3D printing industry. PLA is synthesized from corn, which is renewable, degradable, and has no pungent smell. PLA Plus filament is an environment-friendly material with high hardness and high rigidity, which has passed FDA certification and is well received worldwide. We are also one of the earliest companies in the world to apply biodegradable PCL materials to 3D printing. PCL is reusable and can be printed at low temperature. This removes the risk of burning when touching the hot end and solves the typical bad smell of traditional 3D pen, making them much safer to use. PETG filament combines the advantages of PLA and ABS. In addition to the advantages of environmental friendliness, odorlessness, and ease of printing of PLA, it also has the strength and resiliency of ABS. Refilament solves the problem of spool waste. It reduces the use of plastic, which is in line with the trend of plastic ban in the industry. Moreover, we are one of the first companies in the world to apply bio-based PLA polyol to UV curable resin. E-resin PLA is synthesized from PLA polyol, has low odor, high precision, good toughness, and gives prints a smooth surface. eSUN has a complete quality control workflow. At every step, R&D, design, incoming inspection, production quality control, professional quality inspection, outbound inspection, ensuring the quality of each product. In our global strategic development, the sales team provides our products to customers all over the world with high-quality service, which makes 3D printing unbounded in the tangible world. We strive to provide high-quality products which are environment-friendly and cost-effective to every customer and have passed ROHS, REACH, ISO, and other authoritative qualification certifications.
eSUN 是一个不断追求品质和创新的企业，我们拥抱变化，也创造变化。
The era of innovation encourages us to keep moving forward, using technology accumulation as innovation empowerment, using quality as drive to serve customers. We are deeply trusted by domestic and foreign markets, earning that trust through the delivery of every product. We keep growing, but never forget where we came from. Becoming more professional, using wisdom as the light to light up our road of science and technology, to make green the background color of 3D printing, to make the world a better place.